Okay, so guys, we're at the spot. You know where, guys? And I just wanted to show you how this looks small, but it's not small at all, guys. Okay, we're not gonna go in. Okay. So guys, this is the stones. This is quite hard here, guys. So guys, I wanted to show you it's very big, guys. It starts there. There's a little over there. There's some stuff, some buses, like a parking spot for the buses. But those are the woods there, guys, that I want to go use. They've cut all of this area, guys. This was completely full of trees. I don't know if you can see, but look, it is full of trees. I thought it was bigger, but actually it's not that big because this industry starts right there. I think they're gonna sell this for another industry, or maybe they're gonna make it bigger. I don't know. Either way, guys, they were here for 2 months in the summer, non-stop, guys. This must have cost some good money. Oh, wait a second, look, I found some more metal. Oh, this is a huge metal, look at that. Look, guys, huge freaking gold. Leave it here. So guys, apparently, oh, actually, guys, we are, yeah, I think we are on the spot where I found that other, I don't know. So this is pretty much just dumping, guys. I don't want to get too dirty because my oh look, I like that. My awesome no, I don't. My awesome sneakers that I used yesterday to come here, they were all black, guys. I was like completely, what the fuck? Yeah. So basically, guys, this is basically just dumping areas. I do find some bolts and some look, there's another bottle here. But these are Jurupiga. This is like wine. I don't know. And the tiles, they're not that old. The tiles I find here. Okay, this says TRF. I may take this for my art things. Either way, guys, that's the objective, okay? That's where we're going. Oh, look at that arch! Oh my god, guys. My Bigfoot friends, look. Look, guys. Look what we found over there, look. There it is, look, look, look. There are two of them. I don't want to go there, guys. Next week we'll go there, okay? I don't want to. People already seen me here. I'm trying to keep my face not visible very easily because today I brought my car. So yeah, guys, I was here yesterday. I do remember this spot. There's something I want to tell you as well, guys. More or less, I don't know where, but going inside here, there was a spot that some friends of mine, they built a woods cabin. And guys, it wasn't a bad one. It was actually a very good one. And they used to come here and stuff. So I do remember those times when we were younger. And my friends used to come here. Either way, guys, I'm already getting dirty. I do know I did forget some stuff here, but I have to check it better afterwards. Either way, guys, I was here for, how many minutes? 6 minutes, and I already found a huge bolt and some little stuff to glue. But I don't want to leave here this area because it's not that clean, guys. It's not that clean. And if you can see, it's always stuff from the dumps, or I don't know. Wait a second. Is this a tile thingy? Yeah, it's a crappy tile. Either way, guys, let's go. So, guys, remember, that is our objective over there. I have seen there is some trails done by the big tractors. So I'll probably, in my bike, I'll hit one and I'll try and go up ahead and see what we can find. Okay, guys? Hope you enjoyed, my people. John P loves ya. Remember, we're just observing and cleaning out and looking for treasures. Okay, guys? Oh, guys, look at this stone. Oh my God, you're gonna love this. Guys, look at this stone here. Beautiful. Beautiful stone. Wow, it's huge, guys. Look. Pure granite. Can you see? Pure quartz, pure not granite. This is what we have more in our country. Just granite and stuff. Either way, hope you enjoyed this little snippet. Oh, I like these here. That's metal? No, plastic. No, it's metal. It's metal. I can take it. Either way, that's pretty much it, guys. This is quite big area. If I had to go and look for more stuff today, I really don't feel like it. My neck is getting better, guys. My neck is getting much better. I wanted to send a big hug to my adventurous, amazing, sunny Susie B. Great painting last night, sister. I was there, the whole show. I'll have to say happy birthday to Mike later, because I was just lurking, sister. I wasn't feeling like talking. Oh, fuck. Okay, guys, so can you see this? This is like some really... Shh, look. dodgy area, guys. It's a very suspicious area, guys. I just put my foot in there. Either way, guys. Oh damn! I looked at this, and this looked like oh my God! Look, I'm gonna have to take this shit. Look, I saw this a moment ago, but it didn't look like oh my God, guys! Guys, I saw this like a minute ago. I thought it was like some dirty shit. Look, guys, it's a ladder. John P found the ladder. Look. Okay, so let's go, guys, before people start coming here and screwing me up taking stuff, which I am, of course. But I'm taking it because it's here, guys, right? For the taking. Okay, so guys, we're gonna take these metals. Okay, and we're gonna take this bolt here as well. Okay, can you see? We're gonna take this bolt, huge bolt. There. Maybe I was thinking of taking the, I don't know. Actually, guys, oh my God, it's still in good shape. Fucking hell, I cannot believe this. Let me close it. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, hope you enjoyed, my people. John P loves you. We're gonna go there to those woods. Remember, this connects with some other woods, but we're gonna see. I've been there before. Johnny Small Peppers was with me here when I got lost in those woods. Remember, guys? I've been there, but it was full of woods. And now look, they cut it all, mother F's. That's the price of growing, right, guys? Evolving is destroying, guys, nature. So guys, stay blessed. See you soon, okay? John P loves you.